So, comrades, the student command is the future that has finished the ANC Youth League. There will never be Youth League in South Africa. The Youth League of South Africa is the EFF Student Command. Comrade President, we must start demanding on the picket lines that all graduates must be given a stipend. If they are not given a job, they must be given a stipend. We must pay you. We must pay you for going to school. Because we said to you, go to school, get a job, and better your family. You went to school, we can't give you a job. Let's give you money to pay you for going to school. Why? Because we don't want illiterate, uneducated criminals to be more rich than you people who went to school. Because those who are coming after you, they will never go to school. They will say, my sister went to school, my sister is an engineer, my sister is a doctor, my sister is a teacher, yet she's poor and unemployed. Why must I go to school? Let going to school be rewarded, and if they can't give us jobs, they promise, they must give us money. Comrades, they are already giving people money. They give people 350. They say when you are unemployed, you must get 350. No problem. We agree that we must get 350, but we must be paid according to our qualifications. If I equal Matric, 350. Matric, 1,000. Like that. We need to pay people according to their qualification. That is the only way we are going to defeat illiteracy. That is the only way we are going to fight poverty. That is the only way we are going to fight inequality in South Africa. Let the youth be rewarded for going to school. Comrade President, take your young people to the picket lines. Go with your gowns. Go and tell the Premier. Go and tell the Mayor. Go and tell the President that we went to school. We were disciplined. We never did wrong things. We listened to you. Reward us for being good, disciplined young people of South Africa. Comrades, there is too much corruption in TVET's colleges. People are stealing money. There are no systems in TVET's colleges to hold management accountable, to hold the councils accountable, and therefore the student command must lead a charge to fight corruption in TVET's colleges and to formalize the education at TVET colleges. Not everybody must go to the university. Some of us must go to TVET colleges because that skill, we need it. The TVET colleges play a very important component in the economy of South Africa.